If it's free, it's for me. Let's check out this free quad I just got.
This is pretty much the worst video ever made.
Napoleon, like anyone can even know that.
Hello my friends, and welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures. Well, once again, I did it, found something for free. And I'm sure a lot of people are saying, how do you do this? How do you get all these free things? Well, I know a lot of people who I've known for a lot of years, and I take care of people and people take care of me. So a friend of mine had this Polaris quad here in his garage. He bought himself a fancy new dune buggy sand rail or something, and he needed some room. And he was going to sell it, and his wife just said, give it to Tom. Tom will take it. Mikey likes it. Yeah. Now, you got to be old enough to know those Mikey likes it references. But let's take a look at this quad. I've only had it in my possession for 2 hours, and I haven't even looked at it. I did get a little backstory on this thing. The belt was slipping a bit. He ordered a new belt. Battery was dead. He ordered a new battery, which I have both of those items in my possession. But he said it did run just fine. I'm not anticipating having any problem getting it running, but you never know. Probably will have to go through the carburetor. But this is a Polaris Phoenix 200cc rig from what I understand. And I got it exactly as we are looking at it. I know about what I've just said, and that's all I know. I got a new battery. I got these items. I don't see a headlight, which maybe I'll contact him. Oh, and paperwork. There's our brand new belt. So I guess we'll figure out where things go. We'll probably start with the belt. How's that sound? So I think what I'll do, everything appears loose. I'll take the plastic off. We'll figure out how to get this belt on here. We'll start there. And then we'll see. Come along. Join me. It appears we got one of these top quality belts, but I'm not going to complain, and we're already loose on this flywheel, and I don't have a manual, so we're going to just guess how everything goes. I mean, I could look it up, but this is kind of what I do. I had someone complain on one of my videos because I wasn't doing things by the book, and yeah, I'm not going to do things by the book all the time. So sometimes I will, but I will always say that you should RTFM read the freaking manual. If you're trusting all of your repair skills on YouTube mechanics, I'm not saying that I'm a good or a bad mechanic. Just sometimes I just like to do things like this for fun. It was a free quad, and I have no intentions on keeping this. I'm going to probably give it to somebody else. So you can get some info from me, but maybe it's more for entertainment purposes. Clean this up. Use your solvent of choice. Clean that up. And in here we're going to clean that up too. I'm probably just going to use some brake clean. And then we will put the belt on. And I'll probably look up the torque on that. Okay, I fought the belt on here by squeezing this thing. The secondary clutch. And I did use some prying tools. So now we got this one. Everything's cleaned up. And I think what I'm going to have to do here is the same thing. I have to squeeze that. I'm maybe going to get a clamp that, and then get that on there. See, occasionally I do follow procedures. I looked it up. It said 44 foot-pounds. I don't know how believable it is, but we're holding it with this clutch holding tool and hit it at 44. So let's move on. Some people would completely hate this, and I can't say that I love it, but it's kind of a fun puzzle. Find out where all these bolts went. My buddy who took it apart didn't label them, but we'll figure it out. This is the cover, and I'm just going to guess that these are the bolts for it, and they all look like they're the same size, so we're going to drive them in there. This thing's pretty interesting. I was like, what in the world is this thing? It has a ratchety thing on the inside, but there's a Kickstarter bolted to the frame, so I guess in an emergency you could unbolt that Kickstarter, put it on there, and you could start it. Wild. Okay, I fought on this, whatever you call it. I know it's for ventilation for the clutch. Vent hose tube thing. Mounted that up. I pulled the air box off. Checked the fluids. We have gas in here. The carburetor looks pretty terrible. I just had this battery laying around, so I'm going to connect it and check and see if we got any smoke or sparks, and then we're just going to crank it and see what happens. 99% sure this carburetor's going to have to come off because it looks nasty, but we might as well try it first. I got a random battery. I sprayed some carb cleaner in there, hooked up the battery charger to it. We have a neutral light. Choke is on. That's not bad. I think I got the fuel shut off, but hey, it runs. All right, I'm gonna turn the fuel on and see if I can get it running a little bit more off camera here. It does run, runs pretty terrible. We're gonna pull this carburetor off. So we'll start with removing the slide here. There you go. Unscrew that little fella, which doesn't look awful. And then we're gonna take off these two 10mm nuts, one on this side, one on the other. We got a fuel line and we have a choke cable, which probably gonna have to wait till we get the carburetor off. There's probably a Phillips screw that holds this cable on here. Then we'll clean it up a little bit. I'm not gonna do a deep clean on it because it does run. It almost idles. I have seen a lot worse carburetors than this in my time, that's for sure. So we're just gonna do a gentle clean on this thing, pop her back together, and we should have a winner here. I spent about 3 minutes cleaning that carburetor. Pulled the main jet, the pilot jet, blew some carb cleaner through them, blew some carb cleaner through the rest of it, put it back together, put the air box on. Let's see what happens here. I'm very hopeful. Yeah, there you go. That's the best I'm going to do right now. Brake on. Sounds like it's idling a little low. I'm going to bump that up. She's idling great. We got no back brakes, and I don't know if I can adjust that anymore or not, but we can try. When I put it in gear, it definitely wants to lurch forward or backwards. And it makes that noise. I don't know if that's normal or not, but yeah, we're gonna continue on. If you're a keen-eyed viewer, you probably saw that I put the clutch together incorrectly. The primary was not correct, so I took it apart, cleaned that up, and let's see what we got here. We got a runner. We're in reverse. We're backing up. We're forward. And I fixed the rear brakes. So now I'm just going to check all the fasteners on everything here, and we're going to put the body work on it. Nice. Well, for a puzzle that I didn't know what I was doing here, I only got those two screws left, which aren't really screws for this thing. They were, I think, trying to hold this plastic together because there was missing plastic push deals in here, and I modified this a little bit and got them all on there, but there we go. One complete. except for a headlight. Free quad. And I don't know, let's take a look at my phone here. Let's see, I got 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours into it. Not bad. I'm gonna take it for a little spin up and down the driveway and I'll be right back. Okay, you can all come with me. But it's dangerous. I'm driving with one hand only. Brakes work. Not too bad. Alright, that wasn't really a tutorial. It was just a little bit of having fun in the garage, getting this thing going. I have no intention of keeping it, so maybe a lucky friend of mine will get it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it, but I don't want it to stick around because I have too much stuff. But it was fun, and you know, if you know people and you take care of people, maybe you get some good deals. Some free stuff. I love free. If it's free, it's for me. All right, if you are enjoying my content, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider doing so. Thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure. Adios.